Managing your hair can be a daily challenge, especially if you're trying to achieve salon-quality results at home. That's where a hair dryer brush comes in, offering a combination of drying, styling, and volume in one easy-to-use tool. Today, we're diving into the top 5 hair dryer brushes on the market, perfect for achieving that flawless look with minimal effort. If you're tired of juggling tools and want a solution for smooth, voluminous hair, this video is for you. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Drybar Double Shot Blow Dryer Brush. The Drybar Double Shot Blow Dryer Brush combines the functions of a round brush and a powerful blow dryer to deliver a salon-quality blowout in less time. Designed for all hair types, it's particularly great for adding volume and shine. Key features: this brush features ionic technology to reduce frizz and boost shine. Its oval shape and strategically placed vents ensure even airflow, while the lightweight design makes it easy to handle. The ergonomic grip provides comfort, and the 2.44-inch barrel is perfect for creating volume and curls. Benefits and usage: the combination of drying and styling saves time while reducing heat exposure, making it gentle on your hair. To use, section your damp hair and work the brush through each section from root to tip, allowing the heat to shape and style. Usability: the lightweight design and user-friendly controls make it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. It's suitable for all hair types, including fine, thick, and curly hair, delivering consistent results every time. Durability: crafted with high-quality materials, this brush is built to last. With proper care, it maintains its performance for years, making it a reliable investment for your hair care routine. In the second spot, we have Amika Hair Blow Dryer Brush. The Amika Hair Blow Dryer Brush is a stylish and efficient tool designed to dry, smooth, and volumize your hair in a single step. Known for its vibrant design, it's a favorite among professionals and everyday users alike. Key features: featuring a combination of nylon and boar bristles, this brush detangles and smooths your hair while adding shine. It uses ionic technology to minimize frizz and static and includes 3 heat settings for customized styling. The oval barrel is perfect for creating volume and movement. Benefits and usage: the brush cuts down on styling time by combining drying and shaping in one motion. To use, start with towel-dried hair, section it, and glide the brush through while twisting slightly to achieve volume and curl. Usability: lightweight and easy to maneuver, this brush is ideal for anyone seeking quick, professional-looking results. Its multiple heat settings cater to various hair types, from fine to thick and wavy. Durability: built with durability in mind, the Amika Hair Blow Dryer Brush is designed to withstand regular use without losing its efficiency. Its sturdy build ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile addition to your styling tools. Coming in at number 3 is the T3 Lucea 360 degrees Volumizing Hot Brush. The T3 Lucea 360 degrees Volumizing Hot Brush is a premium styling tool designed to give your hair lift, body, and shine with minimal effort. It's perfect for creating polished, voluminous styles at home. Key features: this brush boasts a ceramic heater and ion generator for smooth, frizz-free results. The 360 degrees bristle design ensures even styling from every angle, while the 5 heat settings provide precise temperature control for all hair types. Benefits and usage: the combination of heat and ion technology ensures smooth, voluminous results without excessive damage. To use, section your hair and brush through from roots to ends, allowing the heat to shape your style. Usability: with its lightweight design and intuitive controls, the T3 Lucea is easy to use, even for beginners. It's particularly effective for adding volume at the roots and creating sleek ends. Durability: the T3 Lucea is built with high-quality materials that maintain performance over time. The durable bristles and sturdy handle ensure long-term reliability, making it a smart investment for your styling needs. Taking our 4th spot is Frieda Hot Air Brush. The Frieda Hot Air Brush is a budget-friendly yet effective styling tool that combines drying and volumizing. It's an excellent choice for achieving salon-like results at home without breaking the bank. Key features: this brush features advanced ionic technology for frizz-free styling and a titanium ceramic barrel for even heat distribution. The 1.5-inch barrel is perfect for creating curls, waves, and volume, while the 2 heat settings and cool option provide versatility. Benefits and usage: the ionic technology reduces frizz and enhances shine, while the ceramic barrel ensures even heat for consistent results. To use, section your hair and brush through, rolling the barrel to shape your style. Usability: lightweight and compact, this brush is easy to handle, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. It's suitable for short to medium length hair and works well on fine and thin textures. Durability: despite its affordability, the Frieda hot air brush is built to last with proper care. Its solid construction and reliable performance make it a great value for its price. And finally, at number 5, we have Remington Pro Wet 2 Style Dryer and Volumizer. The Remington Pro Wet 2 Style Dryer and Volumizer is a versatile tool designed to dry and style your hair in one step. Its unique design caters to those who want efficient styling straight out of the shower. Key features: this brush features ceramic and titanium technology for even heat distribution and reduced frizz. Its unique vented design allows for faster drying, while the oval barrel adds volume and shape. The multiple heat and speed settings offer customization for all hair types. Benefits and usage: the vented design speeds up drying time, reducing heat exposure and minimizing damage. To use, start with towel-dried hair and glide the brush through each section, twisting for added volume and curls. Usability: the lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, while the vented barrel ensures quick and efficient styling. It's suitable for all hair types, including thick and curly hair. Durability: the Remington Pro Wet 2 style is crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring durability with regular use. Its performance remains consistent over time, making it a reliable choice for everyday styling. With the right hair dryer brush, you can achieve professional results from the comfort of your home. From the premium Drybar double shot to the budget-friendly Frieda hot air brush, these tools cater to various hair types and styling needs. Ready to transform your routine? Try one of these top 5 options and experience the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and styling tips. Here's to effortlessly beautiful hair.